Peace, Prophet people. Welcome back to the Absolute Boss Collective. This is another Anatomy of a Trade video. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, hit that like button because I would appreciate it, and turn on those post notifications so you can know when I come out with new content. So without further ado, we're going to get right into the anatomy of a trade. So this video will explain to you how I went about taking this position and how it turned out. Today, we're going to discuss IBM. The man got a plan. It's IBM. So what I did is I took a look at some articles, which you can see here. Okay. I then took a look at the stock chart and took a look at how the stock performed before and after the last 4 earnings periods. Okay, for the most part, we had moves to the upside. Okay, so with that in mind, and in conjunction with the articles that I looked at, I decided to go ahead and purchase a call for this position. Okay, and we're going to see how it turned out. Here's the final result. Okay, 360 on the day so far, but here's the IBM trade. Scroll across, and you have 259.97 on a 269.51 cost. Profits, boom. I don't know the percent right now. I'll get that to you later.